Hey YouTube, this is the unboxing of the Nike SB AF2, but the Rivals pack. Shall we go and watch? Let's do it now. Hey there guys, it's Mr. B from Pint of Stuff here, and we've got the unboxing of this AF2 Nike SB, the Denim Rivals pack shoe. Long story for this though, I basically paid double retail because I didn't think they were coming out in the UK, so I bought them in the US, shipped them to a warehouse there, and then shipped them back, and it has broken the bank. But we want to get into these, so I'm going to start speeding up SJ on sneaker cam just about now. Oh my word, that was, no words. So we'll give you the, that didn't sound healthy, did it everyone? Hey camera 2, that really didn't sound healthy. So what have we got here? We have got the Nike SB Air Force 2 Low Quick Strike. It is a US 11.5. That would be SJ, a UK 10.5. The colorway is binary blue, white. The code for many such folks is AO02984441. They were obviously bought in the US, so they retailed, US retail at 95, still got the tab on there. And we want to go in. So first of all, so these came from Atlas and San Mateo. So got the shipping details there, that can go. They've also dropped in a lovely little booklet, 10 years of Atlas. That is actually, okay, we're gonna look at that later. That's dope. Oh my word, I wasn't expecting that. That's cool. Thank you, Atlas. Not sponsored, by the way, by Atlas, just happen to shop there a lot. Okay, so we're going in. Oh, wow. Okay, so it's woodcut paper, everyone. Woodcut paper. We're gonna get that out there. Stick that there for SJ on sneaker cam. Yay. My friends at Atlas have also thrown in a couple of stickers. They're going on the sticker box. Let's throw the box away. So, first impressions with these. I saw these on Instagram. They were actually put up on the FTC site. I'll rephrase that actually. SJ saw them on the FTC Instagram feed. When I first saw them with this particular colorway, I actually thought they were dunks when I looked at them initially. They just reminded me, with this particular colorway, with the way that the stitching on the denim has been put, it just reminded me of dunk. I was like, I've got to get them. But unfortunately, at that time, I didn't think they were coming out in the UK. So I was like, oh. But, so this is what Nike are dubbing the Rivals pack. They're saying that this isn't related to the West Coast and 2-pack. Maybe there was a little bit of inspiration there because this is very dark denim, and SJ, coming close. What we've got on the back here is we've got nods to a paisley print on the back, and actually we've got nods to paisley on the inside as well. That paisley, right SJ, I'm going to ask you to come in really close if you can. I don't know if this is going to work under these conditions. Ooh. We're going to loosen them off just a little bit because unusually, so the paisley starts on the back here, but if we actually look inside the shoe, on the inside, can you see on the edge there? The paisley comes down here. Can we see that? Look how nice that is. That actually goes all the way through. And so we're going to get the shoe liner out if we can. Yep, it's a zoom sole as well. So we've got that zoom element in the heel unit, as we can see there. But that paisley theme, it flows all the way through the shoe. In fact, that is one of the nicer shoe liners that you can get. And it's all on the inside. There's a lot of detail. You can't see this. It's right, like, get that right in there, right? Is there lots of light? If you go all the way in, can we see that? It goes right down to the bottom. So if you think about when the shoe liner, the inner sole, as we say in the UK, the inner sole goes in, the paisley on the edge here actually flows right down to this. That is a really, really nice touch. Let's get the paper out. Boom. Just going to put that back in there. Obviously Nike SB many times have used denim and it always worked. These are really nice shoes. Really nice. So again, I'm gonna come in camera 2. So if we have a look at this, like look at the stitching detail around, so it really stands out. It really, like, that's a really tough denim. The other thing I really like about this shoe is I really like these blue flat laces. They just work well. I don't think they put alternate laces in the box. I'm just gonna have a peek, just having a shake of the box there. no alternate laces. We're working with the blue flat laces. Another interesting detail which I didn't really think about, but if you think about when you wear a pair of jeans, yeah, SJ, a rivet. So they've actually used more of a brass color, brass color sort of rivet there, just to remind you of denim. If we look at the sole, we've kind of got, it's not a true gum sole, but it's pretty close. So SJ's got that there. Camera 2, just so you can see, have a look at that sole there. In fact, I'm gonna spin that shoe around for you because it is super clean. It's a super clean shoe. I was looking at one of my older videos, which we filmed probably actually in February or the end of January 2017, and one of the words that I was really keen on when I first started doing YouTube was strong, and this shoe epitomizes strong. That's a really nice shoe. Whether it is Rivals, whether it's meant to be a representative of the West Coast, who knows? I just think it's a really, really amazing colorway. SJ, as I was saying to camera 2 on Sneaker Cam, the stitching, it just works really well. And this fabric, like I'd actually buy denim like this. I'd buy jeans in this. It's nearly a raw denim there, and you can see on the tongue. If we come back on the tongue, so moving the table there, it just works so well. I love the red detail on the back of the label there. Nike SB AF2 there. I'm really looking forward to putting these on feet. It's super nice. SJ, do your business. Come on, show the world just how amazing these shoes are. I may, if these go on sale in the UK, because they're so nice, and in theory, even though I've already paid double retail, I might actually double up on these. I'm really loving the AF2 profile at the moment. For me, it's a chunkier shoe. I'm really, really loving it. It has dunkness to it, which sounds really, really stupid, I know, but it just reminds me of older dunks, just because it's just a heavier, thicker shoe. So let us know what you think, everyone. Like, do you really like these? I think if I was down with the kids, I'd say that these were fire. Like, they're slept on loads, I think, but such a nice shoe. Like, let us know in the comments. A, do you like these? But B, more importantly, like, I really like denim on shoes. I think it works really, really well. I've got these, I've got the Medicoms from last year. I was a different type of denim. I think it needs to be blue denim, but one of my most favorite shoes in all the shoes that I've got is the Reese Forbes Dunk High, which they released in 2017. They just look absolutely the nuts on feet. They really do. They're so, so good. So let me know, are you a fan of denim on your shoes? On your sneakers? If you've made it this far in the video and you're not subscribed, why not subscribe? It's just about there. That would really, really help us. And for all our loyal people who have subscribed already and are vaguely thinking, you know what, I know they upload up on Tuesdays and Thursdays, and I know for certain that Pint of Stuff stream on Sundays, but still YouTube isn't telling me when they upload videos. And I'm kind of busy and stuff, and I need YouTube to tell me. The notification bell, I swear it really does work. I'm like, whenever people are uploading, I'm like, poof, I'm straight in there, particularly with some of my the gaming channels that I follow. But anyway, we'll see you in the next video, everyone. So until then, see ya.